Hey, welcome back to Cool Guitar, and let's draw the new character from Fortnite this season. This one is the very cool looking Gumbo. So here's my full pencil sketch sped up, and then right after this I'll show you guys how to draw this line by line with a Sharpie. Alright, so let's draw this really cool looking character from the new season, and to begin, its head's very easy to draw, so we just kind of draw one big circle first. Okay, so just draw a little circle, and I know mine's a little bit wobbly, but that's okay. Alright, and then from here we're going to draw the eyebrows inside. So here's the middle of the circle, just kind of go up slightly. Let's draw one big curve, and I'm just going to give it a little bit of a slant just to give it more personality. Okay, and then from here we're going to draw in the eyes, so just come down from the sides. And then let's see the eyeball inside. So I think in here it's going to be different color, and it looks a little bit creepy like that, but yeah, once you color it should be fine. Right, and then from here we're drawing the mouth, so just come down, and this one's just gonna be pretty much like a straight line. Now we're gonna dip it down, and then for his mouth, just one line right here. This is gonna be the side of the teeth. We're gonna shade this part. Alright, and then from the mouth in here we're gonna draw in the teeth, so just start in the corner, which is zigzag all the way across. Okay, so that's pretty much the face, and then he's got those headphones on the side. Really big circles. And now for the top part here, just draw another line all the way around the head. So this part's easy. Alright, and I know there's some gumballs in there. I'm actually just gonna leave it out because it's gonna get really messy by drawing a lot of little circles inside, especially with a Sharpie. Alright, so we're going to continue with the body. Let's come down to the neck. Let's draw two lines, round off the bottom. And then I'm going to come up right around here. Just going to draw a little circle coming down. That's going to be the collar right here. And then I'm going to draw in the body. So I'm just going to curve down from here. And then come in, so this is going to be the side of the, well, I guess his waist, and then just close this off. And let's just go ahead and add one section for the belt. Okay, and then he's got this thing around his neck, so I'm going to start up here. It's going to curve all the way to the waist right here. So just come all the way down, just one big curve. And then let's see, there's some details right here. I'm just going to draw in two little curves. Okay, so that's the torso. Let's go ahead and add in the shoulders right here. So this is going to be almost like the earbuds over there, or the headphones, I mean. Just one big curve. And then I'm just going to add one little curve coming down like this. Alright, and let's see, before we draw in the arms, let's go ahead and draw in the legs, because his arm's actually kind of long. So let's draw in the legs first. Okay, so from here, just come to the center of this, just draw one little line. Now I'm going to come back out here. Just go out. Come back inside here in the middle. Just come down. So it's pretty wide on the bottom, and I'm just gonna round this out. Okay, and then from here, just draw another curve just so that this looks like a little circle right here on the inside. All right, and then for the lower legs, very simple. Just draw one tube. Then for the shoes, almost like a little rounded rectangle. I'm gonna start on the inside first, curve in, and then this side's gonna go out a little bit more, and then just close it off. All right, and then now for the details right here, let's see, you can come to right around here. So here's the middle of this, just come over to this, draw one curve. So here's the middle, come over. So we're just making it look a little bit more three-dimensional. Okay, and then on the tip right here, just one little curve. We'll just keep it simple. And let's see, it's got another line here. And then we'll just draw an X right here. And then just make it a little bit thicker. All right, so those are our legs. And then let's see, let's come back up here. Smaller detail, just a little pouch. And same thing here, but it's a little bit longer. And then let's see, let's try the inside of this first. I'm not sure what's in here. It almost looks like a little padlock or something. All right, so just small details. All right, so now let's join the arms. So the arms are pretty simple. There's not a lot of detail. You make two little marks like this. Just come down to right around the leg area. Flare it out. Close it off. Okay, so same thing here. Okay, and then on the inside here, here's the arm. It's almost like a square, and then now for the gloves. So just one little section. And then now for the hands, now here's the thumb, start on the inside here, curve. One little line on the inside. Here's the back of the hand. And let's just go ahead and give it, we'll make it into a fist. So we just come down and then just tuck it in. All right, so same thing here. Come down. Just gonna add a little mark here. Here's the back of the hand. Come down and then just go back up. And we can add in one little line here if you want, just to add in some more details for the fingers. All right, so that is it for this very cool looking gumbo. Hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.